Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable dark mode in Snapchat. Just follow my all steps without skipping. First of all, go to Play Store and update Snapchat to the latest version. Now click on Profile. Again click on Settings. Scroll down. Now click on App Appearance. Now it is in light mode. Light mode, dark mode. Viewers, thus you can enable dark mode or light mode. Viewers, if you think that this video is useful for you, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching my video.